Katanat excise ka jala kalabu ya kathong na kabenta ka jingpen mi khajana ka bapalat sans pak klur tingka na ka kiat hauni usna mang tingka bat pen kre ru ban pen tre kam no shen ya o QR code ban te la kam ya ka jinglat e jongi khajana da san hadu shipo sen habakran shakila pthai ku bor ha ka shitarik risa u menteri katarat excise ubak kermen shela ula ong bah ka jingpen mi khajana kelanang kiu manla usnam bat menta usnam ka thong kolong ban pen mi khajana ka bah hadu palat sans pak klur tingka bat kane kande ka senyang jongi shak sorkar nalor kata uni menteri ula ongru ba katarat jong u kalapan kre shat shat ha ka bai de ba ka jingthmu ban pen tre kam no ya u QR code khnang ban la ban but dia ni ka jingat lenti jong ki mar ba pher bat khnang ban te la kam ya ka jinglat rut ka khajana bat ban kan tiaw ya ka jing yo lum khajana ulo ongru ba ka jing pendap ya ka ne kam kala ban shimpor kumba ar hadu live nai u menteri ula pentep ru ba ka tanat kam pat shim la pen kiu dor satya ya ki mar bat ha ka jing shisha ka dor jing ki mar menta kadang duna habayanu jor bat ka dor balabu da ka asam ulo ongru bahaba phasha ki hologram kapor kalakut yaki kum taban pentri kam ya QR code kadon da kasin jam ka badan kam ban haple kum ta halor kani ngila ai por biang yaki company bat ngimla ban pelat yaki mar shaki yoki han klam dala ban budin kumba kalong menta ka jing budin yaki mar ka dei ka hologram ngila penjalan ya kapor na kabenta ka company ka bapenmi yaki hologram Henry kadai tangkat haduk banda pentri kam ya QR code. Syu ula ong bakan amdan kanu ka jemput kela ya kimar. Kani kalong na marba kawai, QR code kanlong nakabenta u bilor. Lada don kanu ka jemput kela, ka jingkat klik kan syong haga company.
We cannot say that without in the absence of QR code, but we have tried by introducing this hologram. So we have seen even hologram has done the job, but we are not satisfied 100% with that. So this time, after saying that with the new technologies, that it's a high time for us to even introduce the QR code, because we have implemented this IEMS, this computerization from end to end. So this monitoring system will help us monitor what is going on in between, and then we hope with this there will be no leakage. So we have no proof about the leakage, but there are times that without having all this mechanism, it might be. So that's why by introducing this IEMS, we believe if there is anything going on in between, this will stop all those. So that's why we introduce it, this computerization. At the same time, we feel it's a high time to upgrade this hologram by introduce even the QR code system together. File is processing and the work is will be getting done. So at present, so all those policy making is going on. So just waiting for the time. So it shouldn't take much time, and only time taken might be for a few months regarding with this install of all those website equipment. So that will it depends on the higher the bidders, those company who get it. So they will do the needful. So I we will try to tell them to speed it up as early as possible, and we want to see by end of this financial year, it should start with the next financial year. There will be a mechanism to trace all this. So even the present mechanism that we are having with this hologram, even that also have saved a lot. So we believe that by introducing this new technology, it will do the needful, and it will be easier also, and it will be easy to trace the QR code in different companies or different products. How it has been seen, it will be different from one QR code to the other QR code, one bottle to the other bottle. It will be different. There will be no duplicacy in this, and there will be no similar or exact. It will be just for one bottle, one QR code, and that is specific just for one bottle. So that we can make sure. That's why based on that we believe there will be no leakage and no duplicacy of this. And if any duplicacy on this, the responsibility will be on this company who will be doing this QR code. This financial year we are trying to reach 500 plus. So by the end of this financial year, we will be able to tell the exact but we are trying to reach 500 plus crore.
And as of now, how much have you earned till this year?
From time to time, we have increased every year. We have seen that our revenue generation increase, but this year we target 500 should be cross. So that when it comes to hologram, uh, the time is already over for them. So that's why to introduce this QR code, there's a process need to be done. So for this, we have give them extension because we cannot live without. I mean, we cannot let the product goes to the market without any trace and track. So as of now, the only trace and track we have is the hologram. So we extend for a period of time to this the present was a company who gave us this hologram, but it's just that for the time to complete this process, we need some time. So based on that, we extend, and it'll be a matter of 2 3 months.
Which is the company who will be making this?
No, for this we have will be open tender. So based on that, whoever beat it, they will be. When it comes to this, last time I remember, uh, there's a practice. Whenever the neighbor state they increase the price, we also do it at the same time. And whenever they decrease, we also follow the same procedure. Though the rates it differ a little bit with the Assam because they are a big state and we are a smaller state, and we feel that we should not go at par with them. So always below them, but we try to be close to them also at the same time. That is how we build that relationship with the neighbor state. But this time we could not do it when they increase the price. So it seems slightly there's a effect. There's a come from sir. There's a slightly effect to the revenue, either revenue or I don't know what exactly to the Assam government. So which they reduce it back because the we from our department we have not increased it. So I don't see that there's any loss of revenue this time though they decrease because our present rate it's still below Assam.